Hello everyone, and welcome to another Hyperweb video. Today we will guide you through converting your blockchain into an NPM package using Telescope. To achieve this, we will utilize the Create Interchain App library. With CIA, you can leverage Telescope's capabilities, generating templates, downloading protos, transpiling code, and set up a ready-to-go project all within minutes. So first, we will need to use npm to install the Create Interchain app globally, as you can see the command in the command line. After we install it, we can use CIA-v to check the version, so we have installed it correctly. So after installing the CIA, we will need to use the command CIA-boilerplate telescope, and it will ask you for the app name. So what it will do is to generate a new project in the current directory, which is the telescope boilerplate. So let's name it CIA boilerplate telescope, and it will ask you a bunch of options. Just fill them out. Now we have created a template called CIA boilerplate telescope, and we can now do the yarn install to install the dependencies. After install the dependencies, we need to go to the packages and the module name you just enter. So change directory, go to the directory, and you can see what we are going to do is inside the package.json, there are actually two important commands. One is download protos, the other is the CodeGen. Now let's do the download protos. Use yarn download protos as a script right here. We need to wait a bit to wait for the download. Now the protos are downloaded, and they are downloaded to the get modules folder. As you can see here, everything should be downloaded in here, and you can always change the configuration files under the scripts download protos. Here is a TS object with the name of config, so you basically need to change it. You can either add or remove any protos you want or don't want here. And we won't dive into the detail of the configuration file. It will be like introduced in the Telescope download video. Now let's do the CodeGen part. As you can see in the scripts, it's here. Use yarn CodeGen. Let's wait a bit. It's the process of the transpile step in the telescope. So basically it will generate all the source file you will want according to the protos you downloaded. Yes, as you can see here, it's all done. So you can go to the source file and you can check anything, like see if the codes are actually ready here. Everything should be like working as expected. For the options of the CodeGen, it's under the scripts folder, codegen.ts, and the options are passed as a telescope TS object. The detail of the telescope input, we will introduce it in other telescope videos, so we won't dive too deep in this video, but you can always do some change and try it yourself. In conclusion, those are the key steps you will need to set up a telescope boilerplate by CIA in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.